Now, 5 great oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. Which are these oceans? Yes, an ocean is a large body of salt water that covers 3/4 of the earth's surface. Yes, already we learned 3/4 of the earth is covered with full of water. Isn't it? Most part of the earth are covered by seas, lakes, rivers, oceans. Yes, oceans are larger than the seas. There are rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, but oceans are very large than seas. On the earth, you can see water in the form of seas, oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds and underground water. So we are living in the earth. We have much water here. We can see water in the form of seas. In sea we can see water. Lakes we have water. Then rivers, ponds, underground also water is there. We have underground water. These water bodies are marked with blue color on the map as shown below. Yes, you can see in the map has some color schemes. In map they have used some colors to represent water bodies, mountains, hills, desert, etc. So water bodies, these oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, they are marked in blue color in the map. So in the map if you see blue color means all those blue colors are oceans, rivers, seas, lakes. Yellow color represents deserts. Brown color means mountains, hills. Green represents forest, vegetation we say. Forest, that green color represents forest. So different colors are used in maps to give us important information about different things. So water bodies are colored in blue in the map. Yes, so when we see the map, the blue color represents water bodies like seas, oceans, lakes, rivers, ponds, etc. So map is actually, it is a drawing of earth on a flat paper. Yes, so in map, blue color represents water bodies such as oceans, rivers, seas and lakes. There are 5 great oceans. There are mainly 5 great oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean. First ocean is Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean in the world. That is Pacific Ocean. This ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Then second is Atlantic Ocean. The second one is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Third one is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. So India, if we hang a map on the wall, you can see India is surrounded by seas on 3 sides. Okay, yes, so on the east side, okay, we can see Bay of Bengal. Then west we can see Arabian Sea, and to the south is Indian Ocean. If we hang a map on the wall, the top is north and the bottom part is south, and here this part is east and this part is west. So here you can see Bay of Bengal, here you can see Arabian Sea, and down bottom part you can see Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, third is Indian Ocean, fourth is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Then fifth is Antarctic Ocean. Fifth is Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Then, or Southern Ocean we say. This is also known as Southern Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is also known as Southern Ocean. So there are 5 great oceans. First one is Pacific Ocean. Second is Atlantic Ocean. Third is Indian Ocean. 4th Arctic Ocean, 5th Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Pacific Ocean, PACIFIC, 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 Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean in the world, Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, ATLANTIC, Atlantic Ocean. 3rd Indian Ocean, INDIAN, Indian Ocean, we can see in the India map. Antarctic, then Arctic Ocean, ARCTIC, Arctic Ocean. 5th Antarctic Ocean, ANTARCTIC, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean, SOUTHERN, Southern Ocean. Do you know Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world? Yes, as I said you earlier, Pacific Ocean is the largest, the biggest ocean in the world, Arctic Ocean, the smallest ocean of the world is Arctic Ocean, ARCTIC. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean of the world. Pacific Ocean is the largest. Pacific is the largest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean of the world. Yes. So that's about oceans. So there are 5 great oceans. Ocean means what? A body, water body, a large body of water, but it contains salt water. Water is salty in the oceans. Salt water. Yes. So 3/4 of our Earth's surface is covered with seas, lakes, oceans, rivers, we say, isn't it? Yes. So there are 5 great oceans. Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean of the world, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean of the world, then Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. These oceans represents on the map in blue color, because on the map water bodies are represented by in blue color. All the oceans, seas, lakes, rivers represents blue color in the map. Yes. Yes. You know, the parts of globe that is either green or brown, it indicates the land. In the globe you can see some parts which are colored in green or brown. Okay, brown color especially, it is land, it indicates land. Green color, forest and all. Okay, so that is actually continent, we say. Continent is a large area of land or on the earth that join together. Continent is a large area of land that join together. On the globe, if the color, which color, either green or brown, it indicates land, forest and land. So it's a large area of land that join together, that is actually continents. On the globe you can see continent or continents, we say. Large area of land. So 7 continents. The earth is divided into large land masses known as continents. Earth is divided into large area of land or land masses. They are called continents. There are 7 continents on the earth. So how many continents are there on the earth? 7. There are 7 continents on the earth. They are named as, first one, Asia. Asia, ASIA, Asia. India is the part of the continent Asia. We are the part of this continent, Asia. Then second is Africa. African continent or Africa. AFRICA, Africa. Third is North America. North America. Third one. Fourth is South America. There is North America as well as South America. Then fifth, Antarctica. ANTARCTICA, Antarctica. Sixth is Europe. EUROPE, Europe, and 7 is Australia, Australia, Australia. So there are 7 continents, children. Large area of land, we say, they're joined together. It represents by either in green or brown color in the globe. They are continents. Okay, Earth is divided into large land masses. They are called continents. So there are 7 continents. First one is Asia. India is part of this continent. We are part of this continent, Asia. Second, Africa. Third, North America. Fourth, South America. Fifth, Antarctica. Sixth, Europe, Europe. Then 7, Australia, 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 which is the smallest continent. Asia is the biggest continent. Yes, so do you know Asia is the largest continent while Australia is the smallest continent on the earth. So Asia is the largest continent. It includes 50 countries, 50 countries. Most populated continent, we say Asia. It is the largest continent which includes 50 countries are there in this continent. Most populated continent it is. Australia is very small continent. Okay. Yes. So that is about continents. You can see the image of oceans and continents there. All the continents and oceans are marked. The oceans are marked in blue color. Continent and different colors they have marked. You can see that oceans and continents map. Okay. Yes, children. So we learned about our planet Earth, isn't it? Yes, Earth is a part of universe. Universe is a vast space, includes earth, heavenly bodies, then some gases and metals. Heavenly bodies means sun, moon, stars, galaxies, asteroids, meteoroids, etc. Yes, so all this including earth, it forms the universe. Our earth is a part of this universe. It is a vast space. Universe means a vast space. Yes, so it is endlessly big area. There is no end actually. It's a big area that formed millions and billions of years ago. 13.8 billion years ago. Yes, billion is a large number, isn't it? Yes, so we learned about the planets of Earth. Solar system, planets of our solar system. Yes, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the planets of our solar system. Yes. So among these planets, we are living on which planet? We are living on the planet Earth. Why we are living on the planet Earth? No, not any other planet. Why? Mercury is a planet, Venus, Saturn, Uranus, these are all our planets. But why we are not in that planet and we are in Earth planet? Because life exists on Earth. Life is possible only on the planet Earth. Why? Because of the presence of air and water in it. This makes Earth worth living. We have a layer of air surrounds the earth like a blanket, thick blanket. It is atmosphere. We have enough water here. That's why life is possible on earth. Yes. Then we learned about earth's shape. So people in earlier days, they believed that earth has an edge and it is flat at the edge, so if we go there we fall down. So people stay away from the edges of earth. They believe that if they go towards the end or towards the edge of the earth, they may fall. Aristotle and Copernicus, the two famous scientists, they believed that the earth is round. They went against the belief of the people that earth has edges. So in 1519, a Portuguese sailor The person who lived in the Portuguese or a Portuguese sailor called Ferdinand Magellan, he and his companions, they started journey, a long voyage by sea, a long journey by sea. They started from the country Spain towards west direction. They started. After 3 years, they came back to the same place where they started the journey. This proved that Earth was round in shape. But Earth is not exactly round or perfectly round or perfect sphere. We cannot say like that Earth is a perfect sphere or perfectly round in shape. It is an oblate spheroid. The shape you have seen, isn't it? Oblate spheroid. Yes, Earth looks like that, in that shape. Yes. So when you stand in the top of a building and look so far, what you can see? Yes, you can see that sky and sea appears to meet. That point is horizon, we say. And if you stand near the bank of a river, near seashore, you can see the land and sea meeting. That point is coast. Yes, you have seen the images of both, isn't it? Yes. To better understand about the whole Earth, we have globe. It is a model of Earth. Globe is a model of Earth. It actually depicts or shows Earth. It enables us to understand how Earth looks like. It is a model of Earth. But we have to spin it to see all the parts of it. All the oceans, continents, countries, everything marked on the globe. But one problem is that it is a huge ball or a huge shape which is difficult for us to carry from one place to another. Small globe, it is difficult to represent all the countries clearly. So globe is a huge shape, size. So it is difficult to carry, but that's why we are using map. Map is drawing of Earth on a flat paper, or a part of the Earth on a flat paper. If we draw, that is map. And we can carry map wherever we go. We can hang it on a wall. Then we can, small maps are the, large maps are the. So small maps we can fold and carry. So people use maps more. Yes, so it is a drawing of Earth on a flat paper, that is map. In map we use different colors to represent water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers. And for hills and mountains we use brown, for desert we use yellow, forest we use green. So different colors schemes are used in maps to identify all these places clearly. Yes, so we learned about oceans. Oceans are bigger than sea. Water is salty. There are 5 great oceans. Which are these oceans? Yes, Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean of the world. The biggest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Then Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. In India map we can see Indian Ocean on the south part. Then Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. So these are the 5 great oceans of the world. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is also known as Southern Ocean. Then we learned about, yes, the land part of the Earth, or on the globe, this brown and green color represents this land area, a larger area of land joining together. So Earth is divided into land masses called continents. Yes, so there are 7 continents. Which are they? Asia. It is the biggest continent. India is a part of the continent Asia. We are living in Asian continent, we can say. Yes, it is a thickly populated, or we say 50 countries are there in Asia, in the continent Asia. Then Africa. dark continent we say. Another name of Africa is a dark continent. Yes. North America, South America. Then Antarctica, Europe, then Australia. It is the smallest continent, Australia. These are the 7 continents of the world. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Yes, so words to remember. Universe. What do you mean by universe? Yes, the whole space, all of space, all the stars, planets, other forms of matter, energy, everything constitutes the universe. Then atmosphere, the envelope of gas surrounding the earth or another planet. The layer of air surrounds the earth. It is atmosphere, like a thick blanket. Spheroid is a sphere, like, but not perfectly spherical body, not perfectly sphere, but like a sphere. Yes, that is spheroid. Now let us recall what we learned. Brush up. Earth is the only planet in our solar system on which life exists. Yes, Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life is possible. A globe is a model of the earth. It enables us to understand how the whole earth looks like. Earth is a sphere, like a ball. The map shows various things in different colors and symbols. So we use different colors and symbols in the map to understand all the information, all the water bodies, forest, land, etc. An ocean is a large body of salt water. It's bigger than sea and it's a large body of salt water. Water is salty that covers 3/4 of the earth's surface. 3/4 of the earth is covered with oceans in the form of seas, lakes, rivers, oceans. Then there are 4 major directions. Yes, north, south, east and west. 4 major directions are there. North, south, east, west. These are the 4 main directions. Life skills. List some ways to save water and to avoid air pollution. Yes, what all things you can do to save water? You should not waste water. Water is precious. Yes, so we should not waste water. If we see someone wasting water, we should stop them doing that. So what are the ways where we can save water? Instead of wasting water by taking a shower, you can take bath in a bucket of water. If you bath in a shower or like using shower, what happens? Lot of water will waste. So you can do that. While brushing and all, don't open the tap and keep. Whenever you need to wash, then you open the tap, and the water which you are using to wash the clothes and all, that water, instead of wasting it, you can put it, you can water the plants. Waste water you can water the plants. Yes. Then rain is the main source of water. It's a clear water, good water. Main source of water is rain. So you can collect the rainwater and keep on the top of your house roof. There you can make a tank, and when rain falls, it falls into that tank. You can after the tank fills, you can cover it properly, you can store it, you can save it, the water for future use. Yes, so rainwater harvesting, it is called rainwater harvesting. You can store rainwater. It's a technique of collecting the rainwater. Then some people below the ground, they dig and a big hole like ground, they dig it, and when rain falls, they collect water in that. Roof of the house, like top terrace, also people build a tank to collect rainwater. Many techniques are there to collect rainwater. Yes, so to avoid air pollution, yes, pollution is the biggest problem now we are facing. We can avoid pollution. How? Instead of throwing waste here and there, plastic waste and all, avoid using plastic bags and all. Then if you see someone using, you should tell them, isn't it? Yes, if you want to go outside very near, you can walk and go. You can use your bicycle instead of car, bike and all. It increases the pollution, isn't it? Forms the gases from the vehicle. It pollutes the air. House wastes, if we are dumping it into the water, it creates water pollution there. Waste from factories and houses are dumping inside in the water, river, lake and all. People come near the river to wash clothes and bath in the cattle, these animals, and all these things you can avoid to reduce the pollution. So there are many ways to reduce pollution, to avoid pollution, and we can save water instead. Air pollution, it causes many diseases, many health problems, isn't it? Yes, so try to avoid these things. So you just think about that. You search how you can reduce air pollution and how you can save water. Yes. So we completed the chapter, children. Which lesson we completed? Lesson 21, our planet Earth. Yes, so read the lesson aloud 2-3 times. You read, then you will become familiar about the lesson. Then you can go to the exercise. It will be easy for you to do the exercise part if you read the lesson many times. Okay, so read the lesson, children.